Good morning, students. How are you? Have your breakfast? Let's start our lesson. Okay. Before starting, today's quotes is முதலாவது தேவனுடைய ராஜ்யத்தையும் அவருடைய நீதியையும் தேடுங்கள் அப்பொழுது இவைகளெல்லாம் கூட கொடுக்கப்படும். Okay. Today we are going to see a new topic, that is water. Water from Tamil Nadu new syllabus TAM 3, page number 14. TAM 3 second lesson, page number 14. Okay, today we are going to learn about water. What is the meaning of water? Water, even everyone in the world, even a small child, even an organism or living organism, is all of them need water to live, right? So we are going to see about water. How much percentage of water that is present in the earth, how it is useful to us, and which water we can drink. We are going to see that. Okay, water. Water is a basic substance that present in the earth, and it is basic substance for our evolution, for human life, for all living organisms. Without water, we can't imagine a life at all, right? Without water, we can't imagine. We can't live without water. We can live with food. We can live without food, but we can't live without water. So, even though to regulate the body temperature, we need water, right? We need water even to regulate the temperature of the planet, even to regulate the temperature of our earth, planet also we need temperature. Okay, let's see what are the source of water. First we can see that what are the source of water. Source, what is the meaning of source? From where we can get water. From where we can get water? What are the source of water? Everyone can say what are the source of water. First we can say ocean and sea. Okay, sea and ocean is first one, and second biggest, then river, then lake, then pond, then puddle, then even our well. These are the source of water, right? The water that available in earth in three states. The water that available in earth in three states. What are the three states of water? Solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. What are three states of water? Solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. In solid state, the water that available in earth like a form of ice. In refrigerator we keep ice cube, right? We get ice cube, right? Likewise, in solid state, the water is in the form of ice. Example, in Antarctica, the water is present in the form of ice cubes, glaciers, polar ice caps, then icebergs. These are the water that present in Antarctica in a form, in this form, that is glacier, polar ice caps, icebergs. Okay, that is a solid state of water. Then liquid state of water. Is that we are seeing in everyday life. That is ocean water, sea water, river water, pond water, puddle water, then well water. These are the liquid form of water. And finally, in gaseous form of water. Okay, today there will be a rain. There will be a rain. And what you feel while raining? You feel very cold, right? Very cool. You feel very cool. Why you are cooling? Why you are feeling very cool? Because the air that present around you get moisturized, get moisture, and it allow us to feel very cool. This moisture form of water is the water is called gaseous. Okay, moisture. The air that present around us get moisture. The air that present around us get moisture. That is the gaseous form of water. Okay, and gaseous form of water. Okay, these are the source of water and states of water. There are three states of water: solid state, liquid state, and as well as gaseous state. And the next one is availability of water. Okay, whether you see Earth from the space, Earth. I'm just drawing a Earth. Wait. See, I'm drawing a Earth. Okay, I'm drawing a Earth. In Earth, the Earth can be divided into 4 parts. See, I'm drawing here. Sorry, I'm drawing here. The Earth. This is Earth. This is Earth, and the Earth can be divided into 4 parts. And the Earth can be divided into 4 parts. Part 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we calculate, if we separate the water and land, we get water in 3. If we separate the land and water in this manner, we get water as 3. Here we separate the Earth into 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. In that, first 3 fully we can take as water, and only this 4th part is taken as land. Okay, understood? So from this we understood, we can say that the Earth, the maximum substance that present on the Earth is water. The maximum thing that present on the Earth is water when compared to land. So see here, I have separated the Earth into 4 parts, and first 3 parts is taken as water, and finally this 4th part, only 1 part is taken as land. Okay, so the maximum substance or the maximum thing that present on the Earth is what? Water. So 3 by 4 percentage of 3 in 3 by 4 is water. Okay, see, okay, we understood that in Earth 4 by 3. So 3 by 4 is water. Okay, water is here. How much percentage of water we get to drink? How much percentage of water that is get to drink? We can take this as, see, I am taking a round. In this, I am taking a pie chart. In this, I am going to differentiate. See, this is salt water, or this is salt water or saline water. Saline. Salt water or saline water. And this is fresh water. This is salt water or saline water, and this is fresh water. Salt water means what? Salt water or saline water? Salt water, whether you can drink salt water, whether you can drink the ocean or sea water. No, you can't. You can't drink sea water, right? So the maximum part of the Earth have salt water when compared to fresh water. The percentage of salt water is 97%. See, if we take 100% of water means 97% is salt water. 97% of water is salt water, and only 3% of water is fresh water. That is, we are drinking. Our drinking water is only 3%. Okay. So salt water is 97% and fresh water is 3%. Okay. From this graph, from this only this pie chart, only this pie chart, I'm drawing another one pie chart. See, a round. Okay, another one pie chart. In this, the fresh water can be divided into fresh water can be divided into iceberg or ice caps and glaciers. First, ice caps and glaciers. The ice caps and glaciers are mostly present in Antarctica. Okay, ice caps and glaciers. And this is taken as groundwater. This is taken as groundwater. And the small part is taken as some other water. And this part is taken as surface water. What is the meaning of surface water? Surface water means we can see. Example, river water, lake water, pond water, etc. These are the examples for surface water. So, in this fresh water, we can draw another pie chart. In that, the maximum part is ice caps or glaciers. So, our Earth have fresh water, 3% of fresh water. In that 3% of fresh water, the maximum fresh water is present in the form of glacier or ice cap. And the next one is groundwater, and the other is other water and surface water. See the ice cap percentages. If we take this is 100%. If we take this is 100%, this is 100%, we get 97% and 3%, right? And next we are taking this as 100%. This 3% is taken as 100%. So this ice caps or glaciers taken as 68.7%. 68.7%. And groundwater is 30.1%. 30.1%. And the surface and the other water is 0.9%. 0.9%. And surface water is taken as 0.3%, and the surface water is taken as 0.3%. Okay, 0.3%. In 100%, we have divided ice caps and glaciers into 68.7%, groundwater into 30.1%, and other water into 0.9%, and surface water into 0.3%. And the next we draw for the surface water. For surface water, another pie chart. I'm drawing surface for only surface water. Surface water means what? River water, lake water, and swamp water. Okay. We can divide the surface water into 3. We can divide the surface water into 3. First, river. Then, river. Lake. The small part is river, and this part is swamp. And this part is swamp. And this part is what? Swamp. Swamp means what? Saduppu nilam. Okay, Saduppu nilam. It have in this water more trees are grown in that. Okay, in the down will be water, and in that more trees will be planted, more trees are grown. That is called swamp water. Okay. So this 0.3%. Now this 0.3% is considered as 100%. 0.3% is considered as 100%, and this lake is 87%. Lake is 87%, and river is 2%, and swamp is 11%. Okay, 11%. So from the above, from this 3 diagram, what you can understand? See, this our earth is divided into 4 parts. One part is land and another 3 part is water. Okay, the 3 part is taken as 100%. 100%, and in that 100%, 97% of water is saline water, and only 3% of water is fresh water. Okay, and this fresh water is taken. This 3% round calculated as 100%, and this fresh water is divided into ice caps and glaciers, groundwater, surface water, and even other water also. This ice cap is 68.7%. The maximum fresh water is taken as ice caps. Ice caps and glaciers, that is 68.7%. And surface water is 0.3%. Groundwater is 30.1% and other water is 0.9%. And we are taking the surface water 0.3% into 100% and we divided that into 3. That is lake, river and swamp. The lake water is 87%, river water is 2% and swamp water is 11%. Okay, I think you understand this. Let's see the next one. Okay, I'm asking a question. How does sea water or ocean water get its salt taste? How sea water or ocean water get salt taste? How? Can anyone answer? Can anyone answer this question? How sea water or saline water get salt taste? How? How? Okay. I'm drawing a diagram. See, what is this? This is a cloud, right? From the cloud, the rain is coming to the ground. This is a ground. And it penetrate into the ground. It get penetrate into the, this is a land, okay? This is cloud and this is land. Penetrate into the cloud, into the land. The land have soil. Soil contain many minerals, salt, etc. Soil contain many minerals, salt, etc. The water from the in a form of rain get penetrate to the soil and absorb the minerals and salt that present in the soil. Okay, and it move to the river, lake, etc. And finally it go to the sea or ocean. Finally it go to the sea or ocean. Okay, so what are the things that present in the water now after shedding to the land? It have many salt and minerals. By absorbing the minerals and salt that present in the sand, and even the river, even the lake, even in the pond, everywhere the salt and minerals are present. And finally to go to the finally the water from the cloud, it go to the sea. And ocean. So the water contain salt and minerals. And even ocean have many volcanoes. What is the meaning of volcano? Erimale. So the sea water have, see I'm drawing here. Sea water have many volcanoes that present inside very depth, in the depth part of sea or ocean. The volcano get erupt periodically or randomly inside the water. So the erupted volcano have salt in it. So by the deposition of both the salt, by the deposition of rainwater as well as the volcano's eruption, both get solidified in the water that present in the sea, and the sea water is tasted as salt. Okay, that is called the saline. Saline water. Okay, can you understand, everyone? I think you all understood. Okay, and we are going to see a topic. Now only we are going to, this is only introduction part. Okay, now only we are going to learn about a topic. We are going to learn a topic, that is composition of water. How the water present, composition of water. Composition of water. before that, I want to show a chart to you. Sorry, forget. Water. Water is one of the basic substances present in the earth. Water is a basic, it is very basic thing that present in the earth. It play a vital role in evolution and survival of life. It play a vital role in evolution. Evolution means what? Evolution. Example, according to science, man came from monkey, right? Chimpanzee. Man came from chimpanzee. That is called evolution. Okay, evolution and survival for the survival of our life. Then water available in nature in three forms. The water that present in nature in three forms. That is solid form of water, liquid form of water and gaseous form of water. Okay, these are the three forms of water. Okay, let's see the composition of water. Let's see the composition of water. See, I am taking a cup of water, fresh water. I am taking a cup of water. First point is it is transparent. What is the meaning of transparent? Transparent means I am keeping a mobile next to me. I am keeping a mobile parallel to me, and I'm going to watch. I'm going to see my mobile through this water. I can see my mobile through this water. Through this water. So that is transparent. First, water is a composition. First, water is a what? Transparent. Transparent means we can see as a mirror, not mirror. We can see as a normal glass. Okay, normal glass. Water. We can see as a normal glass. See, a window. See, in some houses they have window like we can watch from the outside and even from the inside. We can watch if we are standing inside the home, we can watch outside what is going on in the outside. If someone is standing outside, he or she can watch what is going on inside, right? Like that only the water is a transparent one. And second one is the water is tasteless. Whether it has any taste? Water has any taste? Do not have any taste, right? Yes, it have taste when you are thirsty. When you are thirsty, the water have taste. The water do not have any taste at all, and it do not have any odorless. It is odorless. Odor means what? Odor means smell. Smell. The water do not have any odor. It do not have any smell at all. Odorless. Then colorless. What is the meaning of color? Color. What are the rainbow colors? Vibgyor color. Vibgyor color. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Right. Likewise, the water do not have any color at all. It is not have color at all, and it is a chemical composition. Chemical composition. I am going to drink a water. Okay. These are the composition of water. It is transparent, it is tasteless, it is odorless, it is colorless. So this is a chemical composition of water. What is the chemical formula for water? Chemical formula for water. What is the chemical formula for water? What is the chemical formula for water? H2O. Right, very good. H2O. That means 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. It has 2 molecules of hydrogen. It has 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. That is called what? That is a chemical formula for water. That is a chemical formula for water. The water physical condition that changes from place to place. Physical condition of the water that changes from place to place. Example, in Antarctica, the water is in the form of solid, right? In ocean, the water is in the form of liquid. In moisture, the water is in the form of gaseous. Is the physical state of the water that changes from place to place. And main point is And the main point is this saline water. Saline water is divided into three. Saline water is divided into three. Fresh water, brackish water. Fresh water, brackish water and sea water. Fresh water. This is a fresh water. Okay, this is a fresh water. Even this fresh water has salt in it. Even this fresh water have salt in it. The percentage of salt that present in the fresh water is 0.05 to 1% of salt. It has, the fresh water has 0.05 to 1% of salt. And the brackish water have 3% of salt. Brackish water have 3% of salt and the sea water have above 3% of salt. Okay, these are the saline water. And even in ocean water, the ocean water have ocean water have sodium chloride, sodium NaCl, sodium chloride, magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. Okay, I'm going to ask a question. What is the chemical formula for salt? What is the chemical formula for salt that is present in your home, that is used in your cooking? Sodium chloride, NaCl. Okay, this is the chemical formula for salt. NaCl, don't forget it. NaCl, sodium chloride. And if you want to freeze, if you want to solidify, if you want to solid the water, in which Celsius the water gets solidified? In which Celsius? 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. What is when water gets solidified? At 0 degrees Celsius. When water gets boiled? At 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. And the 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day. 22nd March is celebrated as what? World Water Day. When the World Water Day is celebrated? 22nd March. 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day. Okay. And the final activity. And the final topic we are going to see is an activity. Take a china dish. Take a china dish. Pour some water into it. Pour some tap water. Tap water into it. Pour some tap water into it. And heat the water. Heat or boil the water. After few minutes, after few minutes, the water that present in the china dish gets evaporated and only some particles are settled down it. If you taste this, you can taste as salt. You can taste as a salt. Okay. That is you can taste as a salt. That is called water contain dissolved salt. From this we understood that water also contain what? Dissolved salt. It has salt in it. It has salt in it. Mainly, this experiment can't be done by distilled water, purified water or reverse osmosis water. Example, if your house have a filter, you can't do this experiment by using filter water. Okay, because the filter water gets separate. It will separate the water and minerals. It used to separate. It will separate the water and minerals, and we get only the water, not the minerals. Okay. So this experiment can't be done by reverse osmosis water. Okay. Okay, students, and this is a model for water. See, water. It has one hydrogen. It has 1 molecules of hydrogen and 2 molecules of 1 molecules of oxygen and 2 molecules of hydrogen. Okay, understood? Okay, students. Today we have learned about water. What's the meaning of water? and availability of water and state of water and also composition of water. I think you have understood the topic what I have what I have teached today, and your job is to read thrice. Okay, read thrice and it will be very helpful to you, and don't skip the video. Okay students, and please learn daily. Use this lockdown to improve your memory, improve your channel. Okay, thank you students.